The rear view monitor feature on your Hyundai is a supplemental system that uses a camera to provide a view of the area behind your vehicle. The camera is located on the rear of your vehicle. Depending on your vehicle, the exact location will vary. When your Hyundai is placed in reverse, the camera will automatically turn on, with the view displayed on your vehicle's touchscreen. To assist in parking, the image will remain on the screen when the vehicle is shifted from reverse to drive at speeds below 6 miles per hour. On some models, this feature is part of the rear view monitor feature. On others, the feature needs to be turned on. To turn the feature on, press the setup icon on the screen while the rear view monitor is operating. The camera will automatically turn off when the vehicle is shifted to park. Some models also have features such as top view and rear view parking lines. If your model is equipped with these, they can be turned on and off in the setup menu when the rear view monitor is operating. On models with the parking view button, pressing this button will also turn the camera on at speeds below 6 miles per hour. It can also turn the camera view off if the vehicle is not in reverse. Finally, if the view from the camera is obscured due to dirt or water, you can clean the lens with a clean microfiber cloth. For more information on these features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at myhyundai.com, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to explore the how-to guides at the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.